Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I am Tariq Abbaasi and I am addressing to you from Raika Mera Chak Beli Khan. The mission of Hazur Shaykh al-Alam is continue under the supervision of Jانشین Hazur Shaykh al-Alam Nishin Darbar Aliya Nariya Sharif Hazrat Qibla Pir Muhammad Sultan العارفین صدیقی صاحب. As you know, the construction of Hazur Shaykh al-Alam Hospital Raika Mera Chak Beli Khan is in progress with 20,000 square feet area. Today we are going to pour first floor slab of hospital with 10,000 square feet area. The finishing work of ground floor is in progress like marble, electric work and plasster work. This hospital consists of 50 bed. All medical facilities are available in hospital like OPD, emergency, pathology lab, radiology department, ultrasound, minor OT, 2 major operation theatre and many more. Inshallah, all civil work will be completed next 3 months with the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the supervision of Jánشین Hazur Shaykh al-Alam Qibla Pir Muhammad Sultan العارفین صدیقی صاحب. Thank you.